Ripton Catch X Pro. The Ripton Catch X Pro is a high-tech bait boat designed to enhance the fishing experience. Equipped with a built-in fish finder, this remote-controlled vessel allows anglers to pinpoint prime fishing spots with precision. Its dual hoppers can accommodate a sustainable amount of bait, ensuring a steady supply for extended fishing sessions. The Catch X Pro's advanced features, including GPS autopilot and a long-range signal, make it a versatile tool for both experienced and novice fishermen. Predator 54 Auto Nav. Based on the information we found, Predator 54 Auto Nav appears to be an autopilot system designed for use with Predator Kontiki fishing boats. It is manufactured by Pulse Fishing Systems with a 54-pound thrust. This indicates that the autopilot is powerful enough to control the boat's heading even in challenging conditions. The autopilot can be connected to a GPS receiver, allowing it to follow pre-programmed routes or maintain a specific heading. Once the automatic steering is activated, the autopilot will take control over the boat's steering, freeing the operator to focus on other tasks. The autopilot is designed to be user-friendly with simple controls and a clear display. FISHITCH. FISHITCH is a brand of fishing rod holders that are designed to mount on a vehicle's hitch receiver. This allows you to easily transport your fishing rods to and from your fishing destination without having to worry about them taking up space inside your vehicle. FISHITCH products can accommodate various sizes and types of fishing rods, are made from high-quality materials to withstand outdoor conditions, and are simple to mount on your vehicle's hitch. The DipStick. The DipStick is a beverage cooler designed specifically for ice fishing. It's a long cylindrical container that you insert into a hole drilled in the ice. It can hold up to 12 beverage cans and keeps them cold using the ice surrounding it. As you pull a can out, another can pops up to replace it, so you can always have a cold drink ready. Fuyu UTV Fish House. Fuyu UTV Fish House is a portable ice fishing shelter designed to be towed behind a UTV. It's a popular choice among ice fishermen because it offers a convenient and comfortable space to fish from on frozen lakes. They are designed to be easily transported and set up on the ice and built to withstand harsh winter conditions. They are often equipped with features like heaters, windows, and storage compartments, and many models are specifically designed to fit various UTV brands and models. Willcraft. Willcraft is a manufacturer of amphibious ice fishing vehicles. These vehicles are designed to provide convenience, mobility, safety, and an extended ice fishing season. They offer features like insulated enclosures, custom seats, four-wheel drive capabilities, and the ability to drive both on ice and in water. Its amphibious capabilities gives it the ability to operate on both ice and water. The insulated enclosures provide warmth and comfort in cold weathers. The custom seats offer comfort and convenience for extended fishing sessions. The four-wheel drive capabilities ensure traction and maneuverability in various conditions, and the storage space provides ample room for fishing gear and equipment. AguaDrone. AguaDrone is a revolutionary waterproof drone designed for both aerial and aquatic exploration. With its unique ability to take off from and land on water, this versatile device offers a new way to access and study marine environments. Equipped with advanced cameras and sensors, AguaDrone can capture stunning underwater footage, gather valuable data for scientific research, and even assist in fishing and recreational activities. Whether you're a marine biologist, a fisherman, or simply a nature enthusiast, AguaDrone provides a groundbreaking tool to explore the depths of our oceans. Vexilar Flasher. Vexilar Flashers are specialized sonar devices primarily used in ice fishing. They provide a real-time visual representation of underwater conditions such as the depth, structure, and location of fish. The flasher screen displays a vertical column of water, with different colors indicating various underwater elements. This technology helps anglers identify promising fishing spots, track fish movements, and make informed decisions about their fishing strategy. Vexilar Flashers are known for their reliability, durability, and ease of use, making them a popular choice among ice fishermen. Hobie Livewell V2. The Hobie Livewell V2 is a versatile and efficient bait tank designed for use with hobby kayaks. This upgraded version features improved water circulation, a removable partition for keeping bait organized, and a secure mounting system. The Livewell V2 is perfect for anglers who want to keep their bait fresh and healthy during long days on the water. It has a capacity of 12 gallons and weighs 20 pounds. Overall, the Hobie Livewell V2 is a great option for anglers who want to keep their live bait healthy and accessible while on the water. Eskimo Wide One Inferno. The Eskimo Wide One Inferno is a one-man flip-style ice fishing shelter. It is known for its spaciousness and warmth, thanks to its patent expandable design and insulated quilted fabric. The shelter's front spreader bar can be expanded to create up to 32% more fishable area than other shelters in its class. This gives anglers more room to move around and set up their gear. The fabric is 35% warmer than a comparable non-isolated shelter, helping to keep anglers warm and comfortable in cold weathers. The under-seat nets keep gear off the ice and out of the bottom of the sled, helping to keep the shelter clean and organized. And the shelter is easy to set up and take down, making it a good choice for anglers who are on the move. Fishing FanCam. A fishing FanCam is a small waterproof camera that you can attach to your fishing line to capture underwater footage of your fishing adventures. It can be a great way to see what's going on below the surface and to share your catches with friends and family. There are a number of different fishing fan cams available on the market, ranging in price and features. Some models have built-in lights, while others have wireless capabilities. You can also find models that are designed to be used in specific types of water, such as salt water or fresh water. If you're looking for a way to add some excitement to your fishing trips, a fishing fan cam can be a great option.